Good morning, everyone. It's SparklingChar coming in to show you a quick Dollar Tree haul that I did yesterday evening. When I got home, I came in, relaxed for a minute, and I decided to go to Dollar Tree because I was actually needing a few things. But let me show you what I found. These jewel border stickers. Sorry about the glare. They came in these three colors. The blue. This looks like Tiffany blue. I have a project with that color. Pink and the gold. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips of it. Pretty cool, right? And I like it too because you don't have to use the enamel dot in the middle if you don't want to. You can use that for something else. So, got those. This is a very quick Dollar Tree haul. Picked up some Post-it notes because I was running out. And I picked up these phone stands. And the reason I bought these was for some of the employees at work. Because they saw my phone on a stand. Let me show you how it works. I bought one. I hope I'm in frame. They work so quick. They open like this. And there's like 3 grooves, and whatever groove level you want it on. You just sit it down. And then you put your phone on it. See how easy that is? Sorry for shaking the camera. Very nice. Go either way. I'll be sitting here crafting and watching videos while I'm crafting. And it's really nice and neat to hold your phone. So if you guys see these phone stands, pick them up. They only $1. $1, as Wendy says, rather. And then I bought some they had these iridescent beads in pink and in blue. I think there was another color, but again, that Tiffany blue, just too pretty. And I actually was going, guys, I've been going for the last 5 times, trying to find what everybody is hauling on those baker twine. The store never has it. I kept looking, then finally I gave up, and then I looked down toward the ribbon section, way in the bottom. I think somebody kind of hid these, but oh well. I was wearing my glasses that day, so 2020 vision, right? The Maker's Twine. It's called just Maker's Twine. I was fortunate enough to find a pink, a lime green, sort of like a purple, burgundy, brown color. No, this is burgundy, and this is purple. And I believe these come in blue, black and white, and red and white as well. So, yeah. So if you guys see these, you better pick them up because I bought one at Michael's and it was $5. $5 for one. You know the ones at Michael's, but these are cute. I got these when I'm making my journals. So, yeah. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. I know it's a little bit quick one, but it was important to show these good items. And don't forget these phone stands. They come in all different designs. So I'm going to make some people happy this morning. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.